Welcome back to Rex Programming's Introduction to Python. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about string methods and how they can be useful to you when working with strings. Go ahead and open up Atom and let's get started. You'll see in Atom your strings folder. Go ahead and create a new file called stringmethods.py, stringmethods.py, in your strings folder. And once you do that, we are going to be working in this program to learn about some built-in functions that Python offers with strings, especially the ones like capitalize, count, lower, and upper. Let's get started. So first we're going to create a long string. And I'm just going to call this sentence. And in my sentence, I'm going to put in a bunch of text. And now that I have all this text, I'm going to go ahead and show you this lowercase l is the first letter of this sentence. So I can use sentence.capitalize to capitalize the first letter of that sentence. And I can print this to show you that. So I'm going to save this and print this, and let's see what turns up. And it capitalized the first L. Great. So what else could I do? Maybe I could count the numbers of times that something appears in my sentence. So let's see, sentence.count, and I'm going to search for the word in. And if I do this, it appears 7 times in my sentence. And you can see it appears at least 3 times here and a bunch of times outside of here in other words. So at least 7 times. Pretty cool. So what else could I do? I could do something like lowercase everything, like this E and this D that are the capital letters of these sentences. I could lowercase everything. So I could say print sentence.lower. And if I do this and run the file, you'll see all of my text is going to show up lowercase. This E that starts the sentence and this D that starts the sentence is all now lowercase. Pretty cool. And finally, I can also do the same thing but make it uppercase. So I could say print sentence.upper, and if I do this and run my file, you'll see that everything appears in uppercase. Awesome. So these come with Python and can be applied to any string. And there are a bunch more other than these. These are just the basic ones that I wanted to show you as you're working with strings you're going to need. But here, you can also do a directory of your variable, whatever your variable is. In this case, it's a string, and print that out. And if you do this, you will get a directory of everything that can be done to this string, including capitalize, or lowercase, or uppercase. And this can all be seen here. The methods that we just went over today can all be seen here, but much more. And you can always learn more about them on your own. Well, that's it for today. Congratulations. I'll see you in the next video.